Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can fix if you have been getting the error of no results found on your Instagram music while you are trying to upload a music on your Instagram story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. The first thing I want to show you is that if I open my Instagram and let's say you are trying to upload a story over here and it says you that no such music results found, or if you go to the browse section you also found out that the choices are very limited. Now when you are searching for a music on Instagram and you find the error of no results found, then it most likely means that song is not included in the Instagram music library. So you want to understand that Instagram is a social media app, it is not a whole catalog of music. So you want to make sure that you are searching for a song which is available on Instagram. But outside of that, there is also one more reason why you might have been getting the no results found on the Instagram story error. That is that if your account is business or a creator account, you want to switch to a personal account. What happens is that if your Instagram account is a business account, Instagram will most likely limit many features which is available for personal accounts. So you want to make sure that you are on the personal account type. So in order to switch it, first of all, we are simply going to go back to the home screen, and then first of all we are simply going to go to our profile page. Once we go to our profile page, on the top right hand side of the screen you will simply be able to see the menu bar. You want to simply tap on the menu bar here, and again here we want to go to settings. After we go to settings, here at the bottom you want to look for the option called account. So we are going to go ahead and tap on this account section, and here at the bottom you'll find an account option which says switch account type. So you want to simply tap on switch account type right over here, and first of all you want to simply go ahead and try to switch to personal account. And when you switch to personal account, what happens is that most likely Instagram will remove all of the limits you had on your business or creator account. So first of all, if your account is a business account, go ahead and try to switch to a personal account and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. If not, then it is highly likely that that music is not available in the Instagram library, and there is no way you could do anything around that unless you record from third-party sources yourself. So hope this helps. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.